Go ahead, Eric. Ask the question again.
Hold on, before you do that, Sean, you know I'm gonna kill you and
no. See, look, Tyron, you have to follow the panel rules. There is a question for you on the floor. Can you answer the question first? Go ahead, Eric.
Yes, sir. Tyrone, man, I got a question for you. I live in the area of those slaves you were just talking about, and my family is a part of that, and we're on the Dawes roll. My question to you is, what Dawes roll is your family on?
Right. So, do you have an ID card?
No. The question is what? No. The question is, what Dawes rolls is your family on, Tyron?
No, I personally don't have one. I personally don't have one. No.
Say that again, Eric. You said that your family is on the Dawes roll?
Yes, sir. Nabi is our last name on the Dawes roll.
Do you have an ID card?
I personally don't know, but my family does. Yes.
So, right. So, why are you getting up here talking about me and my heritage?
Tyron,
because I asked you a question, God, and if you're getting offended off of it, you might want to try something else.
Answer your first question, Eric. He's going to mislead us.
Well, hold on. Let me make another statement.
Don't answer his question.
I notice every time I talk to people like this guy here, they always negate the question and come back at you with a question. Everybody that claims to be this, what you're claiming to be, never answer questions. Mm-hmm. Why is it so hard to answer the question? You answer the question with a question. All I asked you, what was your family's Dawes roll? That's it. All you got to say is either were you on it or not.
Right.
That's
so
it.
My nationality.
I didn't ask you your nationality. I asked you, was you on your Dawes roll, sir? What Dawes roll are you on? Your Creek Dawes roll. What's your number? What's your number? Because I can look you up right now.
What is yours? I can look
you and your family up right now.
What is yours?
Mine is 2182 or 8182. We're the Nabi family. Nabe.
Right. So do you have
Rachel
your ID
Nabi
card?
is my great grandmother.
Look, you see how quick that was?
Do you have your ID card with these?
No, I don't have.
Don't say nothing, Eric. Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing, Eric. Don't say nothing, Eric.
Answer the question. Dawes rolls. What's your Dawes number, Tyron?
Everybody weren't on the Dawes rolls. My family's not on the Dawes rolls.
So why did you just say
they claiming that?
Hold on. He just said that they was though. He just said he was.
You did say that though.
I never said my family is on the Dawes.
You did say that, my man. That's why I asked you which one. Lord, you said Creek, dude.
Can you cite where I said it? I never said anything about my family being on the Dawes. I never said anything about my family being on the Dawes. I said my nationality is Muskogee Creek.
Tyron. No, Tyron.
Wow.
Tyron, time out.
Wow.
Let's let Eric. No, hold on, Eric. Stay right there.
This all the time, Eric. But thank you for adding clarity. And
no. Trust me, I deal with this all the time. All the time.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, we just had a Boley, Oklahoma rodeo. Was you there for that? Because most Native Creekmen go there. That's around this area. Okay.
No, he ain't around the area, bro. He in North Carolina. He in North Carolina,
all
bro.
his life.
Yeah, because I'm tired of people speaking on the freedmen like they know, and they read a book, and then they read the book and don't even show you the whole book. Because I can tell you right now, I got that same book he was reading, and you're not even reading the whole thing.
There's a third person that said it.
It's like, come on, man.
Then out of seat now, Eric is coming up here saying about the same freaking book. We all know what the book he's saying.
I got one dude claiming if I can't find African somewhere in my lineage, then I'm not African. It's like, who says stuff like that?
Only idiot abos who don't know. They don't know history.
It's like I think they do. I just think they just trying to claim somebody else's history.
No, they don't. They really don't, because if they understood, they wouldn't even be trying to say that they're Abo when clearly they're of African descendant.
All right, there's nothing wrong with being African descent. What Tyrone go to? He done ran off, didn't he?
No,
no. We got him on pause real quick.
You got to put that
Let that man.
The calm is
let him back. Lotus, what you got to say, Lotus, before Tyron come back and
I got Maroon up there, right there from my avatar to show and prove. You know that the Maroon is just talking about dark red. People didn't call themselves that.
Oh my God!
Are the Maroon and
all right, Lotus. Thank you, Lotus, for lying.
No, look.
Down your source.
Because nobody called themselves red. That was the name given to them.
No, just look at what he's doing. So, the word maroon, what does it come from? What language does it come from?
No, that's not my argument. Are you saying
No, but
maroon
answer the
is
question.
No. Answer the question.
We want to know
Where
if
do
you
we get maroon
understand.
from?
It's a Spanish word.
It's a Spanish.
Eric,
Correct.
don't give him
So
the answers, Eric.
Lotus is showing
You
us.
got to give it to him.
Watch this.
No,
Lotus is showing us.
don't. They need to learn it.
Something from a Seneca dictionary, not Spanish dictionary.
Yeah, that's why I said Cimarron, maroon, Seminole. They are all etymologically connected.
Yeah, to Spanish. In Spanish, any language with an ish it's a 19th century correction.
It's a Spanish.
Hey, all right. So Lotus, you're on pause because you ain't bring nothing.
He brought us a Seneca dictionary for.
I probably shouldn't tell him this either, but there's a court case coming up for the Freemen for the Creek Nation. You know, they kicked the Freemen out back in 1979, and they've been fighting it ever since. They won the court case the first time, but now they're going back again. So my question to the one cat, is he part of that? Because it's the Creek.
No.
So gotcha. I appeared at the Green Corn Festival with Siku. Were you at that?
Oh my God, damn.
Where was that located at, sir? Where was that located at?
You ain't even. It's in South Carolina.
No, I'm in Kansas.
My family
in Oklahoma.
is from South Carolina.
Okay.
So what are you talking about?
I'm talking about you and your role that you said you was on and you lied about.
Everybody
That's what I'm
ain't
talking
on
about.
a damn Dawes Road,
Well,
nigga.
then that means you're not
planners.
recognized,
we
sir.
flee to Oklahoma.
That means you're not recognized.
We stayed in thought. What are you talking about?
You're not recognized then. That's what I'm talking about. So you can't call yourself an American Indian. That's what I'm saying.
Hold on.
That's what I'm saying.
You ain't
So stop calling yourself
You ain't
that.
gonna get Gallup. You're not gonna get Gallup.
Yeah,
so
sure.
hold on, bro, because we can have this debate on Mike TV, and he came to
we can have it wherever you want, sir. I
that
got
all
proof.
Indians didn't get on
Only
the Dawes
losers
Road. So what are you talking about?
If you didn't get on the Dawes list, it would say they was not on the Dawes list. It would actually say your name. Listen to what I'm saying. It would say your name, and it would say you was rejected.
Go ahead.
Did you ever sign up for it?
Go ahead, clown.
I know, just like you. Just like he can call me every one guy. I don't get offended off of that. I don't get offended off of that. Wait a minute, let me Tyrone though. I mean, come on now. Let's do this now.
He threw his gun, bro. He threw his gun. We gotta give him 30 seconds to cool off, bro. He got 30 seconds.
Man, hey, I live for this now. You can call me whatever you want. You know what I mean? Yeah, as long as you don't put your hands on me.
He ran out of bullets. He been through his gun.
Hey, but I'm saying though, if you are not on the Dawes or you signed up for the Dawes and got rejected, you can look that up. Just like on my mom's side, they signed up for the Choctaw and they got rejected. You can look all that up, sir. So did you ever sign up for it?
Hold on one second, E.
Yes, sir.
So we got Cujo on the panel. What's up, Cujo?
Yeah.
Not a coincidence. I'm gonna introduce you at all.
Well, Cujo ain't no guest, man. Cujo ain't no guest.
Big up, man. Big up, Virginia.
Oh, I'm about to say you about to forfeit your time.
I'm at work, but I'm listening, but I was on the phone. What happened?
Okay, don't worry about it. What's his name? Ling said he went to a green corn festival in South Carolina, and that makes him a Muskogee Creek.
That's right.
Because he showed up at a green corn festival.
When he was talking, he said Negroes and Indians.
It's interchangeable.
Yeah, that's according to him.
That's what he said.
Definitely what he said.
Yeah, he said Negroes and Indians. I mean, but why would you even say Negroes and Indians if they're the same people?
Because he's pseudo.
Yeah.
We've been
gonna say JB Forbes. He's gonna bring JB Forbes up and say the bullshit.
And the whole indigo and indigenous, that's complete bogus bullshit. Indigo and indigenous have no common root, nor do they have it with India. India is a Latinized version of saying Hindi. That's all it is.
That's all it is.
Y'all ready for the noise?
It means
man, bring your boy back in, man. I'll be ready. I was ready to talk to dude.
Yeah, bring him back because I want him to read. This is
he got to read, don't he?
The source he put up.
Where India comes from. That's
And I
Yeah,
want
we
him
got to read his book. We got to go back to chapter 4 where he said we didn't read chapter 4. He finna fuck up again because we got him back on the same
source like they always do.
Come on, Lane, let's read.
Cujo just made a fallacy for the record.
All right, so you just lied there, Sassy P. Because that's not the only reason why I know that I'm a Muskogee Creek. Hold on.
Let him get 20 seconds. Let him get 20 seconds.
Let me get all that shit that y'all clowns just spewed on the damn screen. Hold on, let's go for point. Hold on, I heard everything y'all get gallop tonight. Let's go point for point. Hold on, I'm not running anywhere. Sean, you said a lot of this gallop. Hold on, let me address everything you said. Let me address every single point you said because y'all spewed a lot of bullshit here. And even Turtle Boy in the chat even Turtle Boy in the chat can agree with what I'm saying. Because his ass is an apple at one point in time. So what are you talking about?
He didn't come up here and disrespect your bitch ass. Turtle Boy
is an apple and he a more. So what are you talking about?
Y'all talking about Turtle Gang?
No,
he came down to Oklahoma.
Turtle Boy because he a rat. He a snitch.
Turtle Gang came down to Oklahoma.
See what I'm saying, y'all? See, there we go. See, not a coincidence. That's why I ain't want to let him go, bro.
Turtle Gang came to Oklahoma.
Exactly. We know he did, bro. He everywhere. I told
him he should have hooked up with me. I could have took him, you know what I mean? I told him should have come down the right time in Bowley. Yeah,
come on, man. So look, God dang, this ain't hard, bro. This ain't hard. But
see, I
think we know we got people connected to the natives, bro.
Right, and I think a lot of them dudes is getting confused because we're talking about being a citizen and actually blood. Hell, you could be a citizen of the nation and not be blood. You know what I mean? That's what the freedmen thing was about. It wasn't about blood. It was you own slaves. Now you got to give them citizenship. That's just point blank.